So it's interesting that millions of men are pretending that all is fine in the bedroom, yet they are actually withdrawn, lack confidence, and even feel broken. You may be one of those men. So if you are a man and you are unable to perform where it matters most in the bedroom, I'm not here to condemn you. I'm not here to make you feel bad or worse. I'm here to help. But we need to start with a clear understanding of what erectile dysfunction means, previously known as impotence. What is erectile dysfunction? In this video, my goal is to help you to understand what this is and then give you some facts on ED, erectile dysfunction. Welcome to this video. I'm sure that you will definitely find it very helpful. So sit back and watch. Yes, sit back, because what you think it is or what you call erectile dysfunction may not actually be what it is. So in this video, you will get clear understanding of what erectile dysfunction is. What is erectile dysfunction? ED is simply the inability to achieve or sustain an erection. To simply put, if you are unable to get an erection, or if you are able to get but unable to sustain an erection enough for intimacy or sexual performance, then you may be dealing with ED. There have been situations where the man knows this and the wife also knows this. It has left many men devastated. It has also affected a lot of women in their marriages, because what is it? Every woman also wants that sexual satisfaction, even though women don't talk much about their need for sexual satisfaction as much as men do. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So I've seen men who have this problem and looking for ways to deal with it. Interestingly, there are women that have also come across who have had this complaint about their spouse. So this can actually affect relationships, can affect a marriage, and we need to know what to do. And that's one of the reasons I'm sharing this information with you. Now, I will explain it this way, using the internet. If you understand how the internet works, of course, it talks about network, we talk about service in your area. And you know that if the internet service is strong, I mean, sometimes it's very strong, you're able to actually browse well. But there are other times that the internet service network is weak, and you know what that means. Your browsing is not as effective as when it is actually strong. That simple explanation is something I want you to think about on how the man actually feels when they are not able to perform. So sometimes the woman feels it because the network is not strong, and then there is little or nothing you can do when it comes to browsing. But when the network is actually strong, then you can talk about good browsing periods. So let me know in the comment section if you got that definition of erectile dysfunction, if you understand that simple explanation for ED, erectile dysfunction. Thank you for that understanding. Okay, now let's move to the facts. There are some facts I want to share with you on ED, erectile dysfunction. The first fact is that ED is not just a problem of older men in their 60s, in their 70s. Interestingly, there are findings now that men in their 30s, in their 40s, and their 50s are dealing with erectile dysfunction, some in their 20s. Secondly, this is not just a bedroom problem, it is a medical problem. It is a medical challenge that can definitely be dealt with. Thirdly, it is not just a symptom, it is actually a signal that something is happening in a man's body, because there is usually an underlying factor. The fourth fact is that this is usually associated with an underlying disease, commonly diabetes mellitus, hypertension, and even hormonal imbalance. Next is that stress is a major factor. Okay, stress of any kind, financial stress, academic stress, career stress, these are common triggers of erectile dysfunction, and this may actually lead to performance anxiety also. Performance anxiety can even worsen the condition. Next is that healthy diet for your body is actually healthy diet for your sex life. Healthy diet for your health is healthy diet for your sex. The seventh fact is that relationship challenges can also trigger erectile dysfunction. Eighth is that porn addiction, pornography, even masturbation can be a cause of erectile dysfunction. Smoking is a known cause of erectile dysfunction because smoking actually damages the blood vessels, and this affects the flow of blood to different parts of the body, including down there. Finally, alcohol is also an enemy, so avoid alcohol like a plague. Before we close on this particular topic, I want to let you know that whether you are a man or a woman, erectile dysfunction affects everyone. So it doesn't just affect the man, it affects the woman that loves him. While a wife may feel distressed, even emotionally so, when a husband is not able to perform as expected. If you found this information very helpful, then why don't you click on the like button and subscribe so that you can have access to related information for you as a man or even as a woman, because we talk about health, wellness, and lifestyle on this channel. Click on all notifications and you will definitely be notified when a new video comes up, when there is a post in the community, and even when I come up live for question and answer sessions to interact with the community. Thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. Bye for now. So you may be a woman, you may need to share this information with your spouse.